Hi everybody, so I know this is up late but I haven't been well all day to be able to manage to get it up earlier than this, but today I'm going to be doing a simple makeup tutorial, kind of like an everyday tutorial, but like if you're in a rush or don't really want to wear a lot of makeup, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm currently in my pyjamas, but you cannot see because of the angle is a load of rubbish. I have to switch into my mum's bedroom, but I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Let's go. Okay, so for this there is 6 steps. So the first step is foundation. Now, normally when I want it to be simple, I will go for a stick foundation. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick, and this is in 100, which is ivory. And as you can see, I've used this quite a lot because it's amazing. So what I like to do is basically just do like lines on my face. Use the Olivia Hale foundation brush because I find stick foundations easier to blend with brushes than I do beauty blenders. I'm going to go in with another layer, just like where my cheek, normally like where I would conceal. Use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain, and I'm just going to put this under my eyes, just so then I don't look as tired. My nose, my forehead. Powder, I'm using Primark My Perfect Colour mattifying powder in Porcelain with the Spectrum A01 brush. I'm going to pack this on. I go in with eyeshadow and I use this Custom Makeup Obsession eyeshadow palette, and I just take one shade on my middle finger, and I'm going to take this green shade which is called Set Tropez. Just build the pigment up and just pack it on. Mascara, I like to use one which don't give too much like definition, just something quick and easy. This is the Miss Sporty Happy Eyes mascara, and I just give my eyelashes just a little quick coat, nothing too dramatic. And as you can see, I don't do what do you call it, a blush or bronzer or contour or highlight. Just give my eyes just a little quick coat of mascara. I'm just going to go for this Maybelline Rose Rush, which is 940, and it's that is the makeup complete. As you can see, it's nothing like too dramatic, anything like that, just like quick and easy. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a massive thumbs up, comment down below. I will leave all the products I mentioned in this video down in the comments or in the description section, and hit the notification bell, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday with another video. Bye.